you ever wondered what hidden gems Dhaka, Bangladesh holds? Dhaka, the pulsating heart of Bangladesh, is a city that never sleeps, a place where the old intertwines with the new, creating a vibrant tapestry of culture, history, and life. In the heart of the Indian subcontinent, Dhaka stands as a testament to the resilience and spirit of Bangladesh. The city's rich history is etched into every corner, whispering tales of bygone eras, from the ancient reign of the Mughals to the country's heroic struggle for independence. Dhaka is a city of contrasts, where the past and the present coexist harmoniously. You'll find bustling markets nestled alongside grand palaces and serene temples juxtaposed against the backdrop of a sprawling metropolis. The city's architecture is a visual feast, with its ornate mosques, colonial-era buildings, and innovative modern designs. But Dhaka is more than just a city of bricks and mortar. It's a city of people, a city of smiles. The warmth and hospitality of its residents are second to none. Dhaka's vibrant culture is reflected in its colorful festivals, lively music, and delectable cuisine. From the intricate designs of Jamdani saris to the rhythmic beats of the dhol, the city is a sensory delight. Dhaka, the heartbeat of Bangladesh, is a city that's waiting to be discovered, a city that's waiting to share its stories. So, are you ready to embark on this journey? Dive in as we unveil the top 10 must-visit spots in this fascinating city. Begin your journey at the Lalbagh Fort, a 17th century Mughal marvel. As we step back in time, allow the stories etched in stone to unfold. The Lalbagh Fort, also known as the Fort Aurangabad, is a testament to the city's rich Mughal heritage. Nestled in the heart of old Dhaka, this imposing fortress was the vision of Prince Muhammad Azam, the third son of Emperor Aurangzeb, who started its construction in the late 1670s. As you walk through the grand gates, you are greeted by a vast expanse of lush green lawns, a pleasant contrast to the fort's imposing red brick walls. The complex houses three key structures: the tomb of Bibi Pari, the Lalbagh Mosque, and the Diwan-i-Am, each a marvel of Mughal architecture. The tomb of Bibi Pari, with its intricate floral and geometric motifs, is a poignant reminder of a young life cut short. Bibi Pari, the daughter of the then governor Shaista Khan, was a beacon of beauty and elegance. Her untimely death brought the fort's construction to a halt, leaving it incomplete. Next, the Lalbagh Mosque, with its three domes, arched doorways, and ornate carvings, stands as a symbol of the spiritual life of the time. Its tranquil ambiance provides a moment of serenity amidst the bustling city. The Diwan-i-Am, once a hall of public audience, echoes tales of grandeur and power. Imagine courtiers and nobles congregating here, engaged in discussions and debates under the Mughal rule. But the fort is not just about the buildings. It's also about the stories they tell. Stories of grandeur, love, loss, and resilience that have been woven into the fabric of Dhaka's history. It's an architectural journey that unfolds the city's cultural tapestry, inviting you to delve deeper into Dhaka's illustrious past. So, lace up your walking shoes and let the Lalbagh Fort take you on a journey through time. From the grandeur of the Mughal Empire to the resilience of the Bangladeshi people, every stone here has a story to tell. This historical gem provides a glimpse into Dhaka's illustrious past. Escape the city's bustle at the Ramna Park. As a green heart in the middle of Dhaka's urban sprawl, Ramna Park offers a tranquil escape from the city's constant hum. Covering more than 68 acres of vast verdant expanse, this park is a testament to the city's commitment to preserving nature amidst rapid urbanization. Here you'll find locals and tourists alike, all seeking a moment of respite under the shade of century-old trees. The park is a hive of recreational activity, from early morning yoga sessions to leisurely afternoon strolls. Children's laughter echoes from the playgrounds, while the enchanting melody of birdsong provides a soothing soundtrack. The park's lake, shimmering under the golden sun, is a sight to behold, offering paddleboat rides that are a hit among visitors. Whether you're a nature lover, a fitness enthusiast, or just someone seeking peace, Ramna Park has something for everyone. This urban oasis offers a refreshing break from the city's hustle and bustle. Embark on a culinary adventure at the bustling Karwan Bazar. Here, the vibrancy of Dhaka's food scene truly comes alive. Every corner teems with vendors hawking a dizzying array of local delicacies, each more tantalizing than the last. In the heart of the market, you'll find the freshest ingredients that Dhaka has to offer. Fruits ripened to perfection, vegetables bursting with color and flavor, and an array of spices that fill the air with their intoxicating aroma. Here, Food is not just sustenance, but an art form, a cultural expression, a story waiting to be savored. As you wander through the labyrinth of stalls, you'll encounter the city's culinary soul. Sample the pitha, a traditional Bangladeshi cake that will delight your sweet tooth, or the spicy, flavorful borta dishes, a testament to the complexity of Dhaka's cuisine. And don't forget to try the iconic hilsa fish, the national fish of Bangladesh, cooked in a myriad of ways, each more delicious than the last. But the food is only part of the story. At Karwan Bazar, you'll also find a community of passionate food lovers, from the skilled vendors who have honed their craft over generations, to the locals who come to enjoy their favorite dishes, to the travelers seeking a taste of the authentic. Karwan Bazar is more than just a market. It's a celebration of Dhaka's culinary diversity, a testament to its rich heritage, and a vibrant showcase of its dynamic food scene. Karwan Bazar is a feast for the senses and a must-visit for food enthusiasts. Experience Dhaka's rich culture at the Bangladesh National Museum. This culturally significant institution is more than just a museum. It's a treasure trove of knowledge, brimming with artifacts and exhibits that tell tales of a vibrant past and present. The museum houses a vast collection, from archaeological finds dating back to prehistoric times to contemporary art pieces that reflect modern Bangladesh. Each section of the museum is like stepping into a different era. The archaeological section takes you back to the Stone Age, showcasing pottery, ornaments, and weaponry unearthed from ancient civilizations. The ethnography and decorative art section, on the other hand, gives a glimpse into the diverse ethnic communities living in Bangladesh, their customs, traditions, and artistry. The museum is also home to a multitude of educational exhibits. These exhibits are designed to enlighten and engage, providing visitors with valuable information about the country's history, geography, and biodiversity. They offer a unique opportunity to learn about Bangladesh from multiple perspectives, ensuring a well-rounded understanding of the nation. Cultural events are another key feature of the Bangladesh National Museum. The museum regularly hosts seminars, workshops, and cultural performances, further showcasing the country's rich heritage. These events provide a platform for artists and scholars to share their knowledge and skills, contributing to the vibrant cultural landscape of Dhaka. The National Museum offers a deep dive into Bangladesh's vibrant culture and history. So when you're in Dhaka, make sure to set aside some time to immerse yourself in this cultural hub. It's an experience that will give you a deeper appreciation of Bangladesh's past, present, and future. Indulge in retail therapy at the New Market. Located in the vibrant heart of Dhaka, New Market is a bustling hub that captures the essence of the city's retail scene. This expansive shopping area is a treasure trove, offering a mind-boggling array of goods that cater to every taste and budget. From colorful textiles and intricate handicrafts to fresh produce and tantalizing street food, New Market is a one-stop shop for all things delightful. As you weave your way through the labyrinth of stalls, you'll be enveloped by the market's infectious energy. The air is thick with the scent of spices and the sound of lively bargaining, a testament to the city's vibrant trade culture. But it's not just about the goods. The real charm of New Market lies in the thrill of the hunt. Bargaining is an art form here, and the market is the perfect place to hone your skills. With a little bit of patience and a lot of haggling, you can walk away with some incredible finds at unbelievable prices. Whether you're on the hunt for a unique souvenir, looking to sample local delicacies, or simply soaking up the atmosphere, New Market is a shopper's delight. It's a place where culture and commerce intertwine to create an experience that's as rewarding as it is captivating. New Market offers an authentic shopping experience in the heart of Dhaka. Explore the Sadarghat River Port, one of the world's largest river ports. This bustling hub of aquatic activity is a testament to Dhaka's maritime heritage. Here, the rhythm of the river pulses through the city, connecting communities and cultures in a symphony of sights, sounds, and stories. Every day, hundreds of ferries, boats, and steamers crisscross the waterways, carrying thousands of passengers across the Buriganga River. This aquatic ballet is a spectacle in itself, a dance choreographed by the ebb and flow of the river. The river's heartbeat is felt in the calls of the boatmen, the laughter of children splashing in the shallows, and the rhythmic thumping of cargo being loaded and unloaded. But it's not just about the hustle and bustle. A boat ride along the Buriganga River offers a unique window into Dhaka's riverine life. From the comfort of your boat, you can observe the daily activities along the riverbanks, where life unfolds in a series of vignettes. Fishermen casting their nets, women washing clothes, children flying kites, and elders sharing tales under the shade of a banyan tree. As the sun sets, the river transforms into a serene oasis, reflecting the warm hues of the sky and the twinkling lights of Dhaka. It's a moment of tranquility amidst the city's frenetic pace, a reminder of the river's timeless charm. Sadarghat offers a unique perspective of Dhaka's vibrant riverine life. This maritime marvel is more than just a port. It's a living, breathing testament to Dhaka's rich cultural tapestry. Find serenity at the Baitul Mukarram Mosque. The Baitul Mukarram Mosque, nestled in the heart of Dhaka, beckons with an aura of tranquility and grace. A spiritual oasis amidst the bustling city, this sacred site is more than a place of worship. It's a testament to Bangladesh's rich Islamic heritage. Marvel at the mosque's architectural splendor, a harmonious blend of modernist and traditional Islamic designs. Its simplicity speaks volumes, echoing the essence of Islamic values. Each archway, each courtyard, each minaret is meticulously crafted, symbolizing the beauty of unity and faith. Step inside and you're enveloped in an atmosphere of peace and reverence. The air carries whispers of prayers, while the delicate patterns on the walls reflect the mosque's spiritual ambience. It's a place where hearts find solace, minds find clarity, and souls find communion with the divine. The mosque also serves as a hub for important religious events. The spirit of community is palpable during Ramadan, when the mosque brims with devotees breaking their fast together. On Eid, the joyous celebrations transform the mosque into a vibrant panorama of faith and fellowship. But the Baitul Mukarram Mosque is not just for special occasions. It's a spiritual sanctuary where, amidst the daily hustle and bustle of Dhaka, one can retreat for a moment of quiet reflection and prayer. Baitul Mukarram offers a peaceful retreat amidst the city's chaos. Immerse yourself in art at the Drik Gallery. This vibrant space is more than just a gallery. It's a celebration of artistic expression in its purest form. Here you'll find a kaleidoscope of art exhibitions that showcase the rich tapestry of Bangladeshi culture and the diverse talent of local artists. The Drik Gallery is a melting pot of creativity, exhibiting a range of art forms from contemporary photography to traditional sculptures and intricate textile art. Each piece tells a story, capturing the heart and soul of Bangladesh and offering a unique perspective on the world we live in. You'll be amazed at the breadth and depth of the exhibitions on display, each one a testament to the power of art to inspire, challenge, and provoke thought. But the Drik Gallery isn't just a place to view art. It's a thriving cultural hub where artists, locals, and tourists alike gather to engage in cultural events. From art workshops to poetry readings to film screenings, the gallery pulsates with creative energy, offering a platform for artistic dialogue and cultural exchange. Discover a hidden gem at the Iqbal Road Moor. Tucked away from the city's constant motion, this serene retreat offers a breath of fresh air. The moor is a tranquil oasis, a place where time seems to slow down, allowing you to soak in the picturesque views surrounding you. As the sun begins to set, the moor transforms into a canvas of colors. The sky, painted with hues of pink and orange, reflects beautifully on the tranquil water, creating a scene that's nothing short of romantic. The whispering breeze, the gentle rustling of leaves, and the distant hum of the city all converge into a symphony of tranquility. This is not just a place to visit, but one to experience. To sit quietly and let the beauty of nature wash over you. To feel the peace that comes from simply being, away from the rush of everyday life. Iqbal Road Moor offers a peaceful haven away from the city's hustle and bustle. Thank you for joining us on this exhilarating journey through the world's most captivating travel destinations. We hope you've been inspired, uncovered hidden gems, and ignited your wanderlust with Nomad Nexus. As we conclude our adventure together, remember to subscribe and stay connected to continue exploring the wonders of the globe. Until next time,